What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backyard Chronicles. Got a special treat today. We finally got the barn put up. My security cameras captured some time-lapse video, and I've got the barn going up in 2 minutes. It actually took 3 days, but we compressed it down to 2 minutes. Hope you find it interesting. Got some future videos coming up. In these future videos, we'll be putting some single bubble radiant barrier all over the inside of the barn, and we'll be getting it set up so that we can keep the RV inside the barn. So we'll be moving some solar equipment around and mounting it on the wall. Got all kinds of exciting projects coming up. Hope to see you then.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.